Ladies and gentlemen, we caught a bird in the room. It looks like a woodpecker. Let's get a good view of the little bastard. Oh, must be scared of the light.
Here comes Kitty.
And here comes the cat on the outside. Look at Kitty trying to get the bird. I'm gonna scare the bird to her side, and then we're gonna let him go. Hold on.
Kitty's just watching.
Here she comes. Get him, kid. She's going crazy. Go, kitty.
Oh my god.
It's a woodpecker.
So,
Yeah,
like,
you see it?
dangerous. Kitty probably hates this thing. Do you see Kitty's face?
No, I can't. I have the camera on her tail. She's waiting patiently. Oh, she's trying to hide. Sylvester and Tweety. Kitty's eye. Oh, she's quick.
Let's put it on the stairs. You can get it maybe in the bag.
I'm gonna let him go right now. I gotta do slide a piece of cardboard underneath.
Oh my god, its head is out.
It popped out and missed it.
Stuck out
It is?
of the hole.
Yeah, where? Oh, he's on the other side. There he is. She's so adorable.
Oh my god, its head! He's sticking his head out. The whole head is sticking out of the hole.
No, because the light's hitting it, so he don't. The bird doesn't stick
You
his.
didn't see it?
Yeah. Oh shoot! That thing almost came out. You're right,
I know. I
babe.
told you. Come on, let's get it out.
He's trying to come out. All right, that's it. We're gonna let the bird go in just a few. Oh, get him! Yeah.
He's gonna get out. Come on, let's go.
I know, because he knows Kitty's there. All right. Thanks for watching. That's it.